Hi, do you know that you can actually use the test credit card to test your website, WooCommerce website with Stripe? You can do a sandbox testing, okay, with Stripe. So these are the demo credit card you can use, but make sure your say your Stripe WooCommerce to be in test mode. So these are the test cards you can use. Okay, these are the test cards you can use. Use. Yeah. Basically, I just want to show you guys that there's actually a test card that you can use. Any of this card, Visa card, MasterCard, Amex, Discover card, and you can just copy and then you can put a random CVC or future date, and then you can test it. So there you in the WooCommerce settings, under the settings, you have to actually do the payment section to be under the test mode to use the test card. Okay, the test account. So you need to set it to be a test account to use the test credit card, the credit card and all those things. Under the settings, must be on test mode. If you are live, you actually have to do this, disconnect, and then connect to a test account. Okay, you have to disconnect your on live account. And then connect to a test account. Okay, so there you go. This is a test account. Then you can test your credit card. Okay, then you can test your credit card. That's it. I just want to show you that. Yeah, I have done that. You can look at my other videos where I use a test credit card for my demo websites and all that. Okay, if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.